If you're looking for a wonderful condominium in the Oak Point subdivision here in the heart of Auburn, I got it for you. N unit, lots of sunlight. Let's go check it out. You're gonna love this open floor plan here that I enjoy. The tall vaulted ceilings. You got your lanai out here that's got some local views. 2 corner windows that just brings in a lot of the light. Electric stove here in front that's kind of a fireplace kind of vibe, which is fun. Open into the kitchen. And then you've got the other 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this unit that is just beautiful and ready for the new owner. "64 units here in this complex. It does come with a beautiful pool as well that's kind of right there in the heart in the middle. You've got some that are on the upper story that you can actually have some beautiful views over the top and some light and brightness. So if you're looking for a condominium complex here in the heart of Auburn with great location, and this condominium complex has come through and done all new roofs, taken care of the decks and the new rules and regulations on that as well. They all have covered parking spaces with a large enclosed storage area in each of these units. Reach out if you're interested in a great investment or if you're looking for a place to call home. Take care. Bye-bye.